Hello and welcome to Puzzle Master. This is the Puzzle Guy, and in this video I will show you how to solve the Pond 12 puzzle. This puzzle was designed by Yu Asaka, a famous puzzle designer from Japan who created such amazing puzzles as Jigsaw 19, Jigsaw 29, Wave 5, Wave 7 and many others. The Pond 12 is his new design. The difficulty level of this puzzle is 9 out of 10 on a Puzzle Master's difficulty scale that runs from 5 to 10. And the goal of the puzzle is to fit all 12 parts inside the frame. This puzzle is made from laser cut acrylic. The frame has this blue color, which represents the pond. There are 10 semi-transparent parts, and there are 2 more parts that are quite small, and they represent 2 small fishes, black and milky white color fish. And once you start solving the puzzle, you will quickly find that you can easily fit 10 of these semi-transparent parts inside the frame, but there is not enough space for 2 more fishes. But you will notice that the frame has half shapes of the fishes on 2 sides, and there are also 2 parts that have half a shape of the fish. And you will try to put these fishes with the parts like that and try to solve the puzzle. But this is not as easy. This puzzle has a twist and it is a very nice aha moment. And in my opinion, it is one of the best puzzles from Yu Asaka, as good as Jigsaw 29 or Jigsaw 19, one of his best sellers. It is a great puzzle, highly recommended. If you don't have the Pond 12 puzzle in your collection, you have to buy it and try to figure out the way how to solve it. And you can buy this puzzle at puzzlemaster.ca. And if you already have this puzzle and have no idea how to solve the puzzle, keep watching the video since I'm going to show you the solution. Now let's see how to solve the puzzle. So first of all, I'm going to remove the fishes, and then I will show you that you can put the parts inside the frame either like this, or you can put them like this. And you will find that they fit nicely this way, and they also fit nicely if you put it like that. But when you put them in a vertical position, you will find that when you put 10 semi-transparent parts inside the frame, you will have more space left. But it will be not enough for 2 small fishes, since fishes are not just random fishes. They are a part of a bigger piece. Like if you put this small part with a fish, then you add a black fish here, and then you add 1 more part right here. That's how you have to solve it. You have to consider this as one piece, and then you will be able to find the correct solution. So let's see how it works. I think that I solved it something like that. Yeah, like this. So it will be one piece, then you add this part right here, then we have to find a part that fits here nicely. It will be this one, then this T-shaped piece goes here, then I can put this long part right here. We have only 4 parts left. One of them fits here, another one goes right in here. Then this piece goes in here, and the last one goes in here, and the puzzle is solved. As you can see, everything fits nicely, and you don't even have to use these half shapes of fishes on the sides. That is quite a tricky puzzle. I spent quite a lot of time trying to figure out the solution until I found that you have to consider 2 fishes and 2 parts that have half cutouts of a fish as one piece. And then it is very easy to solve, since you just have to organize all parts inside the frame. Great puzzle, great aha moment, and one of the best designs from Yu Asaka. If you like the Pond 12 puzzle and you want to try some other great puzzles designed by Yu Asaka, go to puzzlemaster.ca. Thank you for watching. See you next time.